In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Pocket Option to Binance. Easy tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move your funds smoothly and avoid the common mistakes that can delay a transfer. Start by opening your browser and searching for Pocket Option. Head to the official website and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, find the Finance section, then select Withdrawal. This is where all the transfer options live. Before you proceed, keep in mind that the withdrawal feature becomes available after you've made a deposit to your account. Processing is usually automatic and can complete in a few minutes, but in some cases, it may take up to 3 business days. That timing depends on verifications, the network you choose, and overall system load. Now choose your withdrawal method. Since we're sending funds to Binance, select a cryptocurrency option. Pick the same coin you plan to receive on Binance, for example, USDT, Tether, or BTC, Bitcoin. Using the same asset on both sides is essential to avoid conversion issues and unexpected fees. Next, grab your Binance deposit address. In your Binance account, go to your wallet, choose deposit, select the exact same coin, and then choose the network. This part is crucial. The network on Binance must match the network you'll use on Pocket Option. For instance, USDT might be available on TRC20, ERC20, or BEP20. Pick the one you intend to use and copy the deposit address. If your chosen coin requires a memo or tag, make sure you have that ready too. Head back to Pocket Option and paste the Binance deposit address into the withdrawal form. Select the matching network if prompted, enter the amount you want to send, and review any fees or minimums shown on the screen. Double check everything. The coin, the network, and the address must all match exactly. If your coin uses a memo or tag, include it. Missing that can result in lost funds. When you're confident the details are correct, confirm the withdrawal. You may be asked to complete a security step, like email confirmation or two-factor authentication. Approve it to finalize your request. Now wait for processing. You can monitor the status in your Pocket Option transaction history, and once a transaction hash appears, follow it on the Blockchain Explorer. On Binance, watch your deposit history for confirmation updates. If it's taking longer than expected, it's usually due to network congestion or routine platform checks. For peace of mind, many users start with a small test withdrawal before sending larger amounts.